Hi friends, welcome to the Plane Fun OC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025. Celebrating 25 years here at the Triple Tree location. We've got a Dauntless dive bomber. Folks, we're going to stay with this as long as we can. We've got another airplane I want to shoot. You know, when you're doing this, you're trying to capture all the aircraft you can, and sometimes they may only go up once during the event. But we'll stay with the Dauntless for right now. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Gorgeous plane, very weathered, very detailed. Built by Vogelsang. Gentleman named last name of Vogelsang. Phenomenal builder. And he sold it to the gentleman that has it now. Fantastic radial on there, folks. So when you hear the call of dead stick, for those that don't know, that's when you've lost the engine. Fortunately, at this field, there's 7,000 feet of runway, so you've got a really good chance of bringing it in one piece and with a great landing. Aw, ooh, 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 ooh. I'll tell you folks, that was a great landing. Fun landing right there. We're going to call that fun butter right there. Fun butter. I was going to call it Dauntless butter because we're looking at a Dauntless, but you know I'm going to call it fun butter right there. That was a fun landing. Look at the flaps, folks. Look at the flaps. Let me see if I can zoom in. Those are dive flaps. Look at all the holes. Isn't that crazy? They were designed to slow the aircraft down because it was a dive bomber in World War II. All right, friends, more to come.